continue. Hello everyone, my name is Michael Tozzi and I would like to begin my speech with some photographic evidence of climate change in Ohio. The first photo is of Lake Erie containing blooms of algae, and this is due to rising temperatures. More on that later. The next photo is of tornado damage in Dayton, Ohio. This is caused by increase in severe weather. More on that later as well. This speech was created to inform you all of climate change in Ohio and what some organizations are doing to help. My research predominantly comes from NASA.gov and the EPA.gov, as well as personal evidence from noticing how seasons are shifting and becoming more severe. Climate change is not just affecting places far away, it is happening at our own doorstep. Ohio's temperature is rising and in turn causing issues across the state. Rising temperatures are negatively affecting our water sources, disrupting ice formations, causing more flooding, and increasing pollution content. In the last century, Ohio's temperature has collectively risen about 1 degree on average. This causes ice to form and melt sooner than it should. In turn, it disrupts the local ecosystem. Higher temperatures cause blooms of algae in waterways, like the photo at the beginning of our presentation of Lake Erie. Blooms of algae can harm marine life and negatively affect our water quality. In 2014, Lake Erie had so bad of an algae bloom that Toledo had to ban its residents from ingesting the tap water, drinking it or cooking with it. According to the EPA, excess moisture due to rising temperatures causes frequent and severe flooding, negatively affects our air quality, which can harm infants and the elderly. It also causes more severe storms to occur. More storms lead to more runoff, which leads to more pollution in our water sources. Now that I have told you about some evidence in Ohio, here are some organizations that are helping and what they are doing to help. One organization is the Ohio Environmental Council. Their main goal is to secure more healthier air, land, and water for all Ohio residents. They have successfully worked with local governments to reduce agricultural runoff by over 40%. And through their outreach program, they have helped educate over 1 million Ohioans about key environmental issues. Another organization is Environment Ohio. Their biggest goal is to make all new car sales electric by 2030. Doing so will help reduce carbon emissions. They are encouraging large transportation services like buses to go electric as well. They have successfully worked with local governments to make positive policy changes in regards to climate change. More about these organizations can be found on their websites. I hope you all have learned something new about climate change in Ohio and what some organizations are doing to help. As I bring my speech to a close, I would like to tell you all that climate change is not going away anytime soon, and that we should be thankful for organizations that are working to make a positive change in our state. I like Ohio, and I would like future generations to be able to experience Ohio's beauty just like I have. Thank you all for listening.
Yeah!